Good morning, FB peeps and family. On behalf of my niece, the good body first lady Momo right here, so yes, this is Bobby Bliss. Just want to thank all the peeps and family them who turned out last night. Yeah, she was overwhelmed when she see the supporters. So we know say a family that pray together, stay together, and once again, big up for the support. You see it. A family have a family back, you see me? And to all the haters them and the shade dash of them out there where I come and talk about my niece, make me tell you this. When you need to go take a check again, because now go on and don't have a good bed of sleep, you know. We not fight over people and it not make no sense. Why when the girl was alive, somehow never run go put on tattoo. Now that when she dead, you come and put up tattoo and I fear up like picture your old girl, go clean out your nest. Somehow they are not sure shades not eat. I wanna eat my niece for hour what she do now. Somehow not talk about big pig, I know the bigness of the pig, not the goodness of the old. The girl did have her up and post her up and somehow no so now ex so no don't even not even a little graduation picture they get put up for now on the earth a bay. She was good girl on the dead on the don't and of course I never even contribute to an ice and blood clot mate. My niece spend up a nice my niece spend up a nice clean money.
Blood clot need it girl. If you spend over 100,000, I'm spend a blood clot money yesterday. I big up my blood clot friend Samantha Bowlani. Yeah, we send a nice clean 500 blood clot Canadian dollar come my yard. I want to know who the blood clot me don't know about you know. Me know me no blood clot when I'm not sue no. Yeah, I deal with people with class and kill blood clot. You know. And I my fact me couldn't run in a house and get put out and throw out. And I mean make house no fit to know. Me nah blood clot and the person me a spend and talk the thing. Me say, me tell you this, make my blood clot man rest in peace. You is that no good, yeah. You is that no blood clot, but you is no participate and the train seat here, I not take it off. The birds that me sleeping at every night, I not take them off. Yeah, she said for keep it till death and I death me a blood clot keep so I come chop off my neck and chop off my blood clot and me not soon no. Me not share no come and have time for that me a big blood clot man I'm a working class and I don't have nothing for do. When the man say no go to school, I want to go to school but no don't know blood clot. I see blood clot more and I don't know me but I tell you no blood clot this. Me go make my woman bury cause she after blood clot bury and I only decided she blood clot bury and she go bury blood clot good and clean and nice. Because I don't want to go with when I go sit back of soda and see young people are drink soda, young people are drink Pepsi and rum, not even a bottle of blood clot rum I don't buy. When I see my friend them a blood clot drink vodka and all these things, yeah, I'm never hesitate to spend my money for my friend them drink. So when you know I share, you know who I share because I none of you not in the same category. None of you in the blood clot same nigga. As a tissue the blood clot is staying on a blood clot lady. See when it's a first aid, it's just a blood clot first aid. And me, I go forever be blood clot first aid.
And somehow not talk, somehow not talk on the left. When you go home last night, you don't even have a good bed of sleep in. Look on the nice clean couch from my niece sit down in. Look on the nice clean couch. You don't need to come again. Look on nice clean bed. Yeah, nice clean room and clean bed. Look there. Sheet white and pretty like pearl. Someone will come again, can you go home? When you go have to tell a little brother and sister for go over. And you go have to itch up on one side because the old spring are juking down no blood clot. Girl, no need to go back it up and know before you come a road come through a shades, girl. Don't do it. I'm going to tell this a Bobby Bless. I say this my back brother. I'm not afraid of no girl or no boy physically nor spiritually. Yeah, we're quiet, but don't ever trust a sleeping lion or lioness. Yeah, silent
big up my big up my friend them come out last night. They don't see a lot. Dixie, Tragic, King Lee, my nice clean idol, China doll, legendary, the whole out no Gucci. Yeah, MC too to big up your blood clot self in the auntie cause you don't know say. So my nice clean friend right there say you was sleeping a style blood clot last night. Nice clean Celicia, yeah, who eats her? No can do I know my day and a we make no start. And a we make the 6 bottle of soda wanna carry come nobody no drink it. And a my fault buy what the people them need. So we are going 6 bottle of soda for one candle like that. Can't right. What could I ever go so? What could ever go like that? My friend and big up on herself. Diva my sister for life. I don't like her and I got dead. I don't know what dead because the whole more is there to come. I just can't go like this, yeah. Our money not done. We don't spend up because we have car, we got machine and all these things. Western Union, no blood clot, we. Yeah, I own like blood clot. Fire Shanti, big up yourself, mama. Where she come from, Moby, yeah? We anywhere you come from, big up your blood clot self, yeah. Big up Ice and all these people. Everybody will roll out. Yeah, the support was good. I like it, I love it. Yeah, I saw it for go. Uno come and fight and I make problem. Come in peace, a peace me coming now. Uno not see me now look pa uno. Uno not see me now look pa uno. Me not have the time for uno. Me come for make my woman can go like one and it go on and everybody drink and enjoy themselves and them never thirsty. Say if uno the blood clot is drink the 6 bottle of soda them. Cause me know I must dope you know blood clot when go out Pepsi. When I go out Pepsi, somebody drinking Pepsi, the bottle of Pepsi them they out there in the bin. Me carry them out this morning. But no come with thing and blood clot Pepsi. Not even one sit in the ice no carry come for the people then get cool drinks for drink. Dirty people no get away and come off from a blood clot name. Come off from me because I fix them off the blood clot. I couldn't know something have no sense. Edit that now it done. Suck on the mother. Yeah.